This is my first time drawing, and I wanted to draw specifically Will Smith and Chris Rock in regards to the Academy Awards. And this is a symbolic representation of unity. And I hope we as a people, or as human beings, can come together and put our differences aside. Much love and respect to Will Smith. Much love and respect to Chris Rock. Actually, I don't need to paint this. I can leave this spot on empty. Yeah. And art is a fascinating phenomenon. I find it to be intriguing. Super intriguing, if you ask me.